Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on another video of mine. As always, it is very much appreciated. If you're new here, hi there and welcome. My name is Rosie. I love doing natural hair videos. My returning subbies, my queens, thank you so much for joining me once again. Now, in today's video, I wanted to go ahead and do a wash and go using some new products that I have not used before for a wash and go, so I'm super excited about that. But also, I wanted to go ahead and just share with you guys some of my tips that have been really helping me, I would say definitely this year, when it comes to achieving a really good wash and go. So that is what I'll be sharing with you guys today. Now, of course, before we get started, before we jump into the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you're always alerted when I post a new video. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for this wash and go, I'm actually using products from Camille Rose. Now this is from their lavender collection. I'm going in first with their lavender whipped cream leave-in, and let me tell you, this leave-in is so moisturizing. So as you guys can see, I'm applying that from roots to tip just to kind of make sure that every strand gets coated. But yes, one of my tips that I recommend for doing a wash and go is to go in with soaking wet hair. As you guys can see, that's the reason why I am doing my wash and go in the shower, just because it really helps the product just sort of soak in better into my strands. So I've noticed that, when I do get out of the shower and when I sit by my when I sit on my vanity, by the time I get there, my hair is already a little bit dry. I've just been seeing that just staying in the shower and applying that leave-in makes a huge difference. So I have been taking that step, and I've just been noticing that once my wash and go dries, my hair is not frizzy, my hair is very moisturized, and you can really see that moisture, and more importantly, that moisture stays in longer throughout the week. So that definitely has been key for me. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Lavender Crush Defining Gel. I'm going to go ahead and just, again, apply that from roots to end, just kind of smoothing that into my hair so it can just kind of penetrate. And as you guys can see, like, it's already clumping my hair. So I really did like this gel. This gel is a little bit thicker than their curl maker, in my opinion, but I think that it did a really nice job just sort of clumping my curls. And as you guys can see, I'm just separating the hair and just kind of focusing and making sure that each strand gets coated. That's another tip too that has been really helpful for me, is just working in small sections. As you guys can see, my hair has grown quite a lot this year. So it's a lot of hair to deal with on wash day. Sometimes it can get a little bit overwhelming, but I've really learned that working in small sections really helps me a lot, because it just really helps me make sure that the product is being distributed evenly, and you're not over applying to just one particular section. That's how you start getting flakes and buildup because you've put too much product. So again, working in small sections just really ensures that every strand gets coated, and it's been really helping me to achieve a really good wash and go. As you guys can see, curls are clumping, I'm getting that definition, and I'm just really excited to see my end result. Next, I'm going to go in with Camille Rose. This is their Cocoa Nibs and Honey Serum. This oil is definitely one of my favorites. So I'm actually using the oil to seal in all that moisture that applied. And as you guys can see, I'm just really making sure that I'm applying that to my ends. But just look at my curls. Look how they are looking amazing. So that's another tip too that I really have been consistent with. It's just when I'm doing my wash and goes, I'm always making sure that I am sealing it with an oil. I just like to take that method just because I do have low porosity hair, and I've just been noticing that, by staying in the shower, using warm water to rinse out my deep conditioner, applying my cream, applying my gel, and then sealing it with the oil, my hair just always comes out so moisturized. My hair is defined, but more importantly, that moisture that I applied in my hair really stays in my hair throughout the week. Yes, I do have to go in, to refresh and all that good stuff, but just making sure that that's how I started off with my wash and go has been really key in ensuring that that moisture really tries to stay in my hair as long as it can. And I've just been noticing that, coming out of a wash and go after 7 days, I'm really not dealing with a lot of tangles. It does happen, with curly hair, it's unavoidable, but I'm just not dealing with so much tangles. And I just feel because I really go in with the cream, add the gel, and then seal everything with the oil really makes a huge difference. So if you're struggling with your wash and goes, it's coming out frizzy, that moisture just kind of escapes your hair, after 2 days, definitely go in after you apply your products and seal it with an oil. And it's going to really make a huge difference. And you're going to see it in your hair, and you're going to see how your hair stays moisturized longer. So I'm going to go ahead and just continue with this step throughout my entire head. I'll play some music, and of course I will come back when I am done. All right, guys, this is my final results. What do you guys think? Day 1 hair. So what I went ahead and I did is I went ahead and I stretched it this morning. So I got a little bit of frizz, just kind of like in this area, but I mean, that's normal for me because kind of used to it, and also just gives me a little bit of volume. But this looks amazing for day 1 hair. So I am loving just how soft my hair feels. I don't have a hard crunch. I didn't have a gel cast at all. And I don't really mind having a gel cast. Sometimes having a gel cast is good because it really does help me when I am stretching out my hair. Then when I stretch it out, my hair is not going to be completely frizzy. But even without not having a gel cast and stretching my hair out, it looks really, really good. Let me show you guys the back, what it's looking like. So much movement. I love it. So yeah, great combo. I mean, I loved the whipped leave-in. This was really, really creamy. It just really absorbed nicely in my hair. As you guys can tell, my hair is just, it's very moisturized. It looks really good. And the gel, now I've used this combo before to do a twist out. I actually did a reel on my Instagram page, and the twist out came out so bomb. So this was actually my first time trying this as a wash and go combo, and it did not disappoint. It was really good. The only thing with this gel, it just like, I wasn't really crazy about the pump. I don't know, because the gel is a little bit thicker, it just seemed a little bit challenging for it to come out, but it really wasn't bad. And usually I like to be heavy-handed with my gel, so maybe it's a good thing that the pump was there to slow me down. But this was really, really good together. I just really love the definition. Like, it's there, I see it. And I went to work today, I had to go to the city, and so I just left my hair out and it just did so well. I was kind of like wondering, well, is it gonna frizz up? How is it gonna look by 3 o'clock in the afternoon? But I just got home not too long ago and this looked really, really, really good. So I am so happy with this wash and go. I usually do wash and goes, you know, that's usually my style that I like to do, but because I really haven't been going to the office or really doing much, I've just been doing twist outs or just doing like chunky twist outs on wash day, letting them air dry, and then go ahead and just put my hair in a bun. So I decided for this week, you know what? Let's have this hair out. Let's get these curls defined. Let's get this movement going. And I'm really, really in love with my results. I think came out so, so good. You guys can see that. I mean, look at that. Oh, love it. So this is day 1 hair, as I mentioned, but I actually want to come back probably on day 3 or day 4, just to give you guys an update. You know, usually when I do like wash and go tutorials, I come on for day 1, everything looks amazing, but I really want to show you guys and also see for myself how this wash and go holds up throughout the week. So I'm gonna come back for probably day 3, day 4, and just give you a quick update on how my wash and go is holding up. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so this is actually day 6 hair. It's not looking bad at all for day 6 hair. I still have a lot of definition and I definitely have volume. I wore it like this for today. I did go out to brunch, but I'm just loving how my hair is looking. It's still looking pretty good. I can actually maybe extend wash day for like an extra day or 2, but I'm not gonna do that since I really don't have the time. So yes, tomorrow is Sunday, so I'm gonna go in and wash my hair, but of course I wanted to come back one last time just to show you guys what my hair usually look like towards the end of the week. And for day 6 hair, this is looking pretty good.
All right, guys, that is the end of the video. Really hope that you guys enjoy this wash and go routine. If you do, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what are some of your favorite wash and go products that you guys like to use. Black Friday is approaching, so I am taking notes. I think I want to try some new stuff, just really depends on price. But yes, let me know what are some of your favorite wash and go combos. Definitely love to hear your thoughts. But yes, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Please make sure that you comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Take good care. Bye-bye.